Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can expand your Lucidchart whiteboard to increase its height and width, for example, here on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to whiteboard presentation, and as you can see, if I zoom out, I won't be able to expand the whiteboard anymore because that's the maximum size of it. But there is a tool you can use here to expand it. For example, the limits of it. So what you want to do is click into the selection tool here, marked by that arrow icon here, and select the expand tool here, or you may use the shortcut X for that. And after that, you will see that cursor with these, with these markers here. Click into it and simply hold your left mouse and expand your whiteboard to the left. For example, like this. And now the whiteboard presentation has been expanded to the right. And let me do that also below. And there you go. Just click into that X button, hold your mouse and drag your whiteboard to expand it. And now, as you can see, if I zoom out and pan, you will see that it goes far down and far to the left here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.